today I will tell you how to make a flower out of clay, and we will use only two colors to make it. So the color are one green color to make the stem and any color you want except green, because we'll use green in stem and it will look same, no? So you can use any color, like I am using red. So let's start. So first we will make the petals of the flower. So to make the petal of the flower, we have to take some clay, then roll it in a circular shape and it will become a ball. Like this. Like this. So like this we have to make 5 balls, or you can make any, like you can make 3 balls, 4 balls, 5, 6, 7 as you want. So now we will make the bud of the flower. So now we will take a small part of a clay and then roll it in a vertical like this. The bud is ready. So let's make our shape of the petals. We will roll it between the palms and then press it tightly like this, and it will give a shape of an petal like this. Second, roll, put between like this, make it a petal shape like this. Done. Next, like this. Done. Next, second last ball. Like this. A circle shape, leaf shape. Ready. And next, last ball, we'll make this again. And we will repeat this step again and again to make these petals of a flower. Like this. So all the petals are ready. So now I will tell you how to make the stem of flower. So we'll take green color. Then we will take out green color to make the leaf. And first we will make the stem, then we'll make the leaf of a flower. We have to roll it vertically as before. Like this. Like this. Like this. We have to make the shape. So now we'll make the leaf of a flower. As we make the petals, we will make the leaf. Roll and then paste it. Ready. Ready. So now let's make our base of a flower. Take the bud, stick it tightly like this, then another side, then another side, then another side, then another side. Like this. Flower is ready. So now we will stick the stem to the flower. And our flower is ready. So here's our flower. Ready like this. Thank you.